future chefs. Welcome back to another exciting episode of In the Kitchen with your favorite 6th grader, Avrey Charles. Today, we're diving into the world of baking and STEM with the I'm the Chef 2 Safari Zebra Baking Kit. Are you ready to embark on a wild culinary adventure? Let's get started!
Hey everyone, I'm so excited for today's episode of In the Kitchen. We're not just baking, we're also exploring the STEM curriculum through the art of making zebra bread. How cool is that? This kit is super awesome because it comes with pre-measured ingredients, making it easy for us to focus on the science and math behind baking. Before we jump into it, let's talk a bit about safaris and zebras.
Did you know that a safari is like a wildlife adventure? You get to see animals in their own habitat, like lions, elephants, and of course, zebras. Zebras are known for their unique black and white stripes, and guess what? Not two zebras have the same stripe pattern. It's like their fingerprint.
Alright, let's mix up some science and math, shall we? Baking is a perfect way to explore these STEM concepts. As we combine flour, sugar, and other ingredients, we're actually creating a chemical reaction that makes our bread rise. It's like edible science.
Now, the fun part. Adding cocoa powder to create the zebra stripes. Just like in the wild, each zebra has its own unique stripe pattern.
It's kind of like our bread. It's becoming a delicious zebra masterpiece. And now, into the oven it goes. While our zebra bread bakes, let me share another cool fact. Zebras use their stripes as a way to confuse predators. It's like a natural camouflage. Very smart, right? Our zebra bread is out of the oven, and it looks amazing. The stripes turned out just right.
Baking is not just about making tasty treats. It's about learning, experimenting, and having fun with STEM.
I hope you enjoyed this world journey with me today. Delicious! Join me next time for more kitchen adventures, where we continue to explore the world of food and science. Until then, keep baking and stay curious. See you next time on
In the Kitchen.